friends, on this video how you can use another user on your PC. So friends, here I just use only one user, and that also I just log out. So without log, I want to create another user. That's why here you have to tap on your user. See here, tap on start, then click on your account and tap on change account setting. Here the first option. From here you move through settings, then here you have to click on account. After that you have to move on family and other users. Just tap on it, and here under this what it's written, you can see device, access, work or school users. Then here you can check by tapping on it. There's many options, but you have to click on add a family member, and here is the add another user. But we want to create new user, so you have to tap on add another user, add other user. Okay, it says just a moment, how will this person sign in? I don't have this person sign in information. You have to select this one because we want to create new. That's why you have to select I don't have. Add a new user without a Microsoft account, get a new email address or add. So you have to click on add, second option. Then what's going on to use this PC? Type your name and make it secure, enter password and re-enter password. Then after that tap on next. Okay, as you can see here, I just type my name. I just type some name. Okay, then you have to enter the password. Okay, after that you have to re-enter the password. And in case you forget your password, you have to select these security questions. What was your first pet's name? Answer should be here. You have to set up. I just typed details. Then second security question, you can answer another also, as I like type DTD. Then here's the second security question. What's the name of the city where you were born? Then here you have to type the city. And third question, what's your childhood nickname? Again I retype the DTD. Here in place of DTD I type this DTS. Then click on next. Okay, I just type the same because so that I should not forget. Okay, look at here, I have created local accounts, another user. So you too, you can create your user, and even you can remove this account and data also if you want to remove, but I will not remove because I want to use this user account. So you too, you can use like this, friends. And if you want to recheck, then tap on start, and from here you can check your delt and DTD that I have created right now. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Here I have to type my password. You can even apply this without password also if you want to set up. Okay, so here's the screen. Here just log in. I have to type my password. It says welcome. Hi. Getting things ready for you. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. As it's on, you should not turn off your PC. So really this taking much time, and when it's taking some few minutes, friends, do not forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. After that it says please keep your PC on and plug in. Okay, friends, now it says choose privacy setting for your device. You can choose your privacy setting here. Location, diagnostic data, inking and typing. Okay, here just on the scroll down, tap on accept. Now it's completed here. Okay, so it's done. So friends, you too, you can follow these steps. And friends, if you love the video and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Now in place of that account I can use, in place of Dell I can use DTD. Okay, so friends, thanks for watching. Bye.